Welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find someone location by phone number on Google Map. So if you want to find someone on Google Map using the phone number, this is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your Google Map app. So once you open it up, it's not going to be your Google Map, it's going to be the person's phone. So you have to do this before time. Like you're supposed to do this. So you make sure you are the person's Gmail has been logged into the Google Map, and once it's like this, you click on location sharing. So once you click on it, you're going to see this. So once you see this, you'll be able to actually share the person's real-time location. You can see maybe for 1 hour, or you can increase it to 3 hours, 5 hours, or you can just put it on until you turn it off right here. So you're just going to send it to the person just like this. So you're going to send it to your own phone so that when you click on it, once you click on it just like this, you'll be able to find the person's current location. Right, so it's pretty simple. So you have to do all those settings on the person's phone, and you have to send the share of location to your own phone. So that is, you have used the person's phone number to find the person's location. So it's quite simple and easy to do. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.